This is the 2026 GMC Sierra 2500. Now this will work on any 2024 through 2026 GMC 2500. So if you're having this problem with your truck and your locator lights are not working, I'm going to show you how to turn them on, or if you want to turn them off, how to do that for that matter. Now what am I talking about? When you unlock the truck, this is what you should see. You'll have your animated lights, not only here on the front of the truck, but also on the rear. But if they're not working and you want them to, what do? We're going to come to our center screen and you're going to go to settings. Once you get to this screen, then you're going to eventually go to vehicle. Took a few seconds to come up right there. And then once you're here, you need to come right down here to lighting and you'll find vehicle locator lights. Now there's a couple of different ways you can do this. You can turn it on or off on this screen, just like that, or you don't have to go into the screen like this. You can also just do it right here. So if that is grayed out right there, instead of the green check mark being there, just like that, well, you can tell the difference between being on and being off. If the check mark is there, that green check mark, that means they're on. If it's grayed out, it means they're off. And that's how you deal with it. It depends on what it is you want to do. You can also make changes to your exit lighting if you want that off, if you want it to stay on for 30, 60, or 120 seconds. Well, there's how you do that as well. A little bonus for you in the video. I hope this was helpful to you as far as tutorials go. If there's another tutorial you would like to see, tell me down in the comments section, whether it's on a GMC truck or anything else. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.